Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into today's special topic where I'll be showing you guys how to rebuild your Outlook profile, create additional profiles, or add an existing account to your already existing Outlook profile. So the first thing we're going to start off with is rebuilding your Outlook profile. Now you may ask yourself, why would I ever need to rebuild my Outlook profile? Well, sometimes your Outlook profile can get corrupted. You have tried to run repairs on your Office 365 and nothing has solved the problem, such as maybe you're not able to open up your signatures tab. And I've seen that before for some of our clients, and rebuilding the profile has assisted with solving that problem. I do want to remind you guys that whenever you rebuild your profile, you're going to want to make sure that either all of your emails are being backed up in the cloud or you have downloaded a backup of your .ost file. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do to go ahead and start rebuilding your Outlook profile is open your control panel. After you've opened your control panel, you're going to want to search for Mail. You're going to open Mail, Microsoft Outlook 2016, 32-bit. From here, you're going to select the third option, Show Profiles. Within here, you're going to see the already existing Outlook profiles on your computer. As you guys can see, I have the demo profile already set up. Now to rebuild that profile, I'm going to remove it and then re-add it. So I go ahead and select Remove after selecting the profile I want to rebuild. Just like I said earlier, careful, if you remove this profile, offline cached content for its accounts will be deleted. Learn how to make a backup of the offline .ost files for the accounts. By selecting Learn How, guys, you can also learn how to go about creating that backup for that .ost file that I mentioned earlier. In this case, all of my emails are being backed up in the cloud, so I'm going to go ahead and select Yes. Now that we've removed the profile, I'm going to go ahead and close this. I'm going to reopen it once more. Now the reason I'm closing and reopening it is because it won't let me add a profile with that same name. Now because I would like to create the same profile named Demo, I'm going to have to reload that Mail application. Now you're going to go ahead and select Add. From here, you're going to name the profile whatever you would like. You can either name it Outlook, you can name it the your first name. In this case, I'm just going to name it Demo. Now here you're going to need to fill out your name and then the name of your email address. Next, you're going to go ahead and put in your password twice. Now in this case, where I have multi-factor authentication enabled, I'm going to have to use my 2FA app password. If you guys would like to learn how to go ahead and get that set up, check out one of our other how-tos to show you guys exactly how to start using multi-factor authentication with your Office 365 account and how to create 2FA or MFA app passwords. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my app password. Now if you don't have multi-factor authentication enabled, all you have to do is simply put in your password twice for your email. You'll go ahead and select Next. You'll select Finish once it's gone through all of the different prompts. And there you go. That Outlook profile has been successfully re-added to your computer. You can double check this by going ahead and opening your Outlook. It will load your profile. It's preparing Outlook for first use since the Outlook profile was never used before, since it was removed. And there you go. That's how you remove or rebuild your Outlook profile. Now, one of the portions of that process is exactly the same steps you're going to take to add additional profiles. Now, in most cases, you're only going to need one Outlook profile. However, let's say that you don't want to include the same account or multiple accounts within the same profile. You want to create separate profiles for each account that you have. So all you're going to want to do is, I'm going to go ahead and close Outlook. Within the same Mail application, you're going to go ahead and select Add. Now this one you can say it's going to be Demo 2. Click on OK, and you'll go about the same steps, that being you fill out your name, your email address, the current password. If it's a multi-factor authentication enabled account, you're going to want to go ahead and create another 2FA app password, put it in twice, select Next, and select Finish. Now, one step that you're going to want to take if you have multiple Outlook profiles is you're going to want to select prompt for a profile to be used. This will allow you to make the decision on which profile you would like to open with. For example, after I click OK and I go ahead and attempt to open my Outlook, it's going to prompt me to choose the profile I want to open. In this case, I only have one of the profiles enabled or added. If you have multiple profiles, you select from the drop down menu which profile you would like to open, select the profile and then click OK, and it will begin loading that profile. Now, the last thing I'm going to show you guys how to do is add an additional account to your already existing Outlook profile. So let's say you don't want to have multiple Outlook profiles, you just want to have an additional email address to your already existing Outlook profile. It's pretty easy, understandable. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. After you've opened up your Outlook, the first thing you're going to do is select File. And then you can either select Add Account here, or you can select Account Settings, Add or Remove Accounts, or Change Existing Connection Settings. From here, you'll see the emails that are currently, or email accounts that are currently on this profile. You'll select New. You'll begin searching for accounts. You'll go ahead and either fill in what account you would like to add or use the one that it has already found for you. In this case, I'm not going to go through the process of actually adding this account, but all you would have to do is select Connect, and it will either prompt you for your password or automatically connect your account and add it to your already existing Outlook profile. Now, the next way that I had brought up earlier is by simply going to File, selecting Add Account, and it will do pretty much the same process. Now guys, those are the steps that you're going to need to take in order to rebuild your Outlook profile if ever needed to do so, add additional Outlook profiles, or just add another account or email account to your already existing Outlook profile. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave me a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that you can get notified whenever we go live each and every single weekday, starting from between 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Time and ending between 4 to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Thank you guys. Have a great rest of your day.